Imagine this, you meet someone new and you want to talk in English but you don't know what to ask. You stay silent. You miss the conversation, you lost the confidence. Why? Because you don't know how to ask questions. Today, that changes. In this lesson, you will learn WH question words, the secret to starting any conversation in English. After this lesson, you will be able to ask questions clearly, confidently, and without fear. Hello everyone, welcome to an EU English. This is our 30 days English speaking course where you will learn to speak English step by step in very simple and easy way. If you are a beginner and want to speak English confidently in daily life, this course is perfect for you. Every week we learn a new topic that will help you improve your speaking, vocabulary and confidence. So make sure you watch every lesson and practice with me. Now let's start today's lesson. Question words are words we use to ask for information. These words help us start a question. The most common question words are what, where, when, who, how, why. These are called WH question words. They help you ask about people, place, time, reasons, and things. We use word to ask about things or information. Examples: what is your name? My name is Ahmad. What do you do? I am a student. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. What is one of the most questioned words? We use where to ask about places. Examples: where do you live? I live in Korum. Where is the school? The school is near the market. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where asks about location. We use when to ask about time. Examples: when is your class? My class is at 10 a.m. When do you study English? I study English at night. When do you play soccer? I play soccer in the evening. When asks about time. We use why to ask about reasons. Examples: why are you learning English? Because I want to speak fluently. Why are you happy today? Because I passed my exam. Why questions are usually answered with because. We use who to ask about people. Examples: who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. Ali. Who is that person? He is my friend. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Akbar. Who asks about a person? We use how to ask about method or condition. Examples: how are you? I am fine. How do you learn English? I practice every day. How was your day? It was great. How asks about condition or process. Now listen carefully and repeat. What is your name? Where do you live? When do you wake up? Why do you learn English? Who is your best friend? How do you practice English? Practice these questions every day. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions. Let me know in the comments. What is your name? Where do you live? Why do you want to learn English? How do you practice English? Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking builds confidence. Remember this, if you can ask questions in English, you can start a conversation. And conversation is the key to speak fluently. Practice daily, ask questions, and speak confidently. This was day 7 English question words. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to our channel for day 8. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck.